Are you kidding me? I just ordered the most hyped food items from Zepto Cafe. Let's try it out. Okay, I've ordered total 4 of the dishes. I am super hungry, so without further ado, let's go. First up are these chicken momos. Chicken tandoori momos, we get 6 pieces for 163 rupees. By the way, thoda thanda hua hai because I was just working while this arrived. दिखने में तो अच्छा दिख रहा है. Smells also nice. Making this fall down. Yeah, you guys can see. It looks kind of good. Let's try. Wow, this took me like 10 minutes to eat. Tandoori का थोड़ा flavoring कम है, but I am surprised with the amount of chicken they've added in one momo. Love it. For 163 rupees, I definitely think that this is a good deal, especially if you get it like hot. I wanna eat this more, but I'm gonna like save it for like later. I have one more thing to try. So the next thing which we have is the avocado sandwich. I don't know what I'm expecting over here. Okay, what is this? You get nacho chips in this. Wow. Are you kidding me? Look at this. This sandwich looks huge. Huge. मैंने अभी तक इसको खोला नहीं है, but this looks. Wow, it looks promising. By the way, let me just check the price of this. The avocado sandwich was for 172 rupees. The bread looks a bit thicker. This is the close-up of the sandwich. You can see. Let me just open it up and show you. I think now you can see how much filling is there. There is a decent filling. Oh, I'm gonna say that. I'm just gonna bite it. I'm always scared of things getting stuck into my teeth. It is okay. I wouldn't say it is the best thing that I've tried from Zepto Cafe. But if you're very hungry and you're craving something, you don't want to make an avocado sandwich, of course, you can go ahead and do that. It is okay. It's not the best in taste, but yeah, it's like avocado. If you want like a healthier option but with like bread, go ahead and buy it. I would give this like a 5 on 10. It's honestly okay. Would I buy it again? Not really, until and unless I'm really craving like avocado. Then I will go ahead and like eat this. But oh my god, मैंने इसके बारे में इतनी सारी चीज़ें सुनी है. I had to buy it. I had to try it out. This is the Vietnamese coffee. And this is for 163 rupees. McDonald's को beat कर दिया. Plus, like, it is 500 ml. 500 ml for a coffee. If I drink all of this today, I will not sleep at night. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it. Okay, this is how it looks. I think you're supposed to shake it, and I don't know. मैंने कभी Vietnamese coffee पी नहीं है, but let me just shake it. It is good. But I'm not like a coffee lover. But it is good. Like, it's an okay thing. If you're like craving for a good coffee, you can try it. And if you're a coffee lover, like you want like a strong punch of coffee, this has that. But I don't think nothing will beat my McDonald's cold coffee. I'm sorry, I just had to say it. This is a good coffee, but I would give this like an 8 on 10. Good enough. Great quantity, by the way. Insane quantity. Zepto Cafe, you're doing good. Okay, the next thing which we have is the chocolate mousse. I wanted to do a video about trying all the desserts from Zepto Cafe because honestly, I am a dessert person. We all know that. But कुछ available ही नहीं था. And I was so annoyed because literally nothing is available. I have tried the tiramisu. It is super good. Definitely try that. But I haven't tried the chocolate mousse. Basically, it comes in a tub like this, and this is how it looks. It looks very cute. Let me see how much was this for. This was for 103. Love it. It looks also very interesting. ऊपर Zepto Cafe का logo भी है. You can see how cute it looks. Okay, I'm just gonna dig in a little bit. You get these layers, and I'm gonna try. It is a good one. Although I wouldn't say that this is better than tiramisu. Tiramisu from Zepto Cafe, so freaking good. This will be a 9 on 10. Why? I feel like it is a little bit too sugary. Like I can feel the sweetness just hit me. Whereas if you eat like different chocolate mousses, you feel the chocolate first hitting and then the sweetness. इसमें थोड़ा अलग है. But that being said, for 103 rupees, of course, if I'm craving something sugary and if I want something in like 5 minutes, which is affordable, under like 100 rupees, 150 rupees. I don't want to spend on like big chains. Then I would go ahead and buy this, but I would buy the tiramisu, honestly. Like, that was the best, honestly. So that was my verdict. The dessert, 9 on 10. The momos, definitely a 9 on 10. Sandwich, 5, 6 on 10. The coffee, 7 on 10. Not that bad. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Tell me in the comments which other food videos should I make. I know this is a little bit newer. I really enjoy making such kind of videos. So please let me know. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.